This video, I'm going to be showing you how you can cheat on an exam. Also, only a small percentage of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you like the video, please consider subscribing. It's easy and quick. Enjoy the video.
Alright everyone, once you come in, make sure you take a seat for the exam today. Alright, now that everyone here, we can now get started. Hey, sorry, I had to comb my beard, so I'll just sit down. Alright, now I'll be handing out the exams, and no cheating.
What kinds of questions even are these? They make no sense. Why are these on an exam? My palms are sweaty, I'm anxious. Oh my god. Wait, how are they even done? Whatever, I gotta get this finished. Alright, this is probably a good time to practice my black magic. So I gotta take this pencil, cycle between my fingers 3 times, slam the desk, and then I'll have the answer sheet. That's very good. Got it from the teacher. All I gotta do now is copy the answers. At this point, cheating hasn't been any easier, so all I gotta do now is match the answers to the one corresponding to the answer sheet, so that way I can get 100 on the exam. And now that I've successfully copied the answers, there's now time to go to the next step, which is trying to get the answer sheet back into the professor's hands without him knowing. Alright, so since I'm the last person who hasn't finished their exam, I gotta go ahead and flip my pencil in between my fingers again, slap the desk, and there we go again. The paper is now in the teacher's possession. Now all I gotta do is just go up and hand my paper.
Hello sir, I finished my exam. Thank you kid. No good on here.